Meet Olivia. She's 62, lives in sunny Arizona, and like many people her age, she wants to stay healthy and full of energy. Every morning, she takes her handful of vitamins faithfully. Vitamin C, vitamin D, magnesium, a multivitamin, sometimes even an extra supplement if a friend recommends it. But here's the problem. Olivia still feels tired most days. Her joints ache, she has low energy, and she wonders, what's the point of all these vitamins if I don't feel any different? Millions of people make the exact same mistake with their vitamins, a mistake that can completely sabotage the results, making those little capsules a waste of money and effort. And that's exactly what we're breaking down in today's video. Here's the thing, taking vitamins doesn't automatically mean your body is using them. Just because you swallow them doesn't mean you absorb them. That's what happens when we take vitamins the wrong way. The nutrients just pass right through and your body misses out. So let's walk through the most common mistakes. Mistake number 1, taking vitamins on an empty stomach. Olivia thought it was best to take hers first thing in the morning with her coffee. Certain vitamins, especially fat-soluble ones like A, D, E, and K, need food, specifically fat, to absorb properly. Without it, her body barely used them. Mistake number 2, mixing vitamins that cancel each other out. Did you know calcium can block iron absorption, and too much zinc can interfere with copper levels? Olivia was swallowing everything at once, not realizing some were competing against each other. Mistake number 3, ignoring fat-soluble versus water-soluble rules. Water-soluble vitamins like C and B complex dissolve in water and should be taken with fluids, ideally throughout the day. Fat-soluble vitamins need that avocado, olive oil, or nuts in your meal. Mistake number 4, believing more is better. Olivia thought doubling up would speed results, but in reality, overdosing on certain vitamins can cause nausea, headaches, and even long-term harm. Mistake number 5, relying on supplements instead of food. A pill can help fill a gap, but it's not a replacement for real nutrient-rich foods. Olivia skipped balanced meals, thinking her multivitamin was enough. Mistake number 6, not checking medication interactions. Olivia takes blood pressure medication. What she didn't realize is some supplements can interfere, either weakening the medication or doubling its effects. But here's the biggest mistake Olivia, and honestly, most of us make, not pairing vitamins with the right foods for absorption. This is the deal breaker. If you're not eating the right foods when you take your vitamins, your body simply can't use them. It's like pouring water into a bucket full of holes. It all leaks out. For example, vitamin D works far better when paired with healthy fats like salmon or avocado. Iron absorbs better with vitamin C, so pairing spinach with an orange or bell pepper helps. Calcium needs vitamin D to actually do its job in your bones. Olivia was popping vitamins without any of these pairings, so she was getting only a fraction of the benefits. And this isn't just theory. Studies from Johns Hopkins and Harvard show that up to 50% of vitamin benefits can be lost when taken without the right food combinations. In some cases, the body absorbs almost nothing. That's why Olivia, despite her good intentions, wasn't seeing results. So, what did Olivia do differently? She started taking her vitamins with meals, not coffee. Breakfast with eggs and avocado became her go-to for fat-soluble vitamins. She split her vitamins into 2 groups. Morning, water-soluble like vitamin C and B complex with a smoothie. Afternoon or dinner, fat-soluble like D and E with fish or a salad with olive oil. She stopped doubling up. No more overdosing, just the right dose consistently. She added food-first nutrition, more leafy greens, citrus fruits, and nuts, using supplements as a boost, not a crutch. And the results? Within weeks, Olivia felt more energy in her mornings, fewer stomach upsets, and a lot more peace of mind, knowing she was finally doing it right. If you're serious about maximizing your vitamins, get blood work done. You might not even need half of what you're taking. Don't fall for myths. Multivitamins are not magic pills. They only work as part of a balanced lifestyle. Keep it simple. This video is for educational purposes only. Always talk to your doctor before starting or changing any supplement routine. Now, if you found this helpful, I've already selected the perfect next video for you. It dives into how a simple 60-second morning trick can skyrocket your energy levels. You don't want to miss it. Click on it right here.